Alright, now we want to add, well, I want to add my little X logo in here. You can probably add whatever you want. Um, let's go over here and pull it up. There she is. Okay, now we want to drag this puppy into the document. So we'll just get our selection tool, hold shift, and it'll drop it right in the center. Let's actually bring this up to the top. There we go. Turn this background off. Oh, look at that. It's so big. Command T will shrink this puppy down and do it right. And let's go right here. Zoom up a little bit. Get rid of this. Let's hold shift option till it aligns perfectly to your standards. That's what I do. And this is looking good right about her. Okay. So we can make it a little bigger. Alright, got that. Now, alright, so anyway, let's bring it down below the glare. Change the layer mode to overlay. Drop the opacity down to about 45. Sounds good. Let's zoom out of this and see what we got here. There we go. Now, let's look at this other one. See the little nuances in there? I'm going to go back and do that right now with a little thing called lens flare. So let's select this area and then that should constrain the lens flare to just the pixel, the selected place. So let's go to lens flare, move this puppy around. I like it right about here, so I'm going to get some nice little lighting effects right going on right there. And it's on 100%, close enough. Push enter, okay. There we go. See what it looks like? If it wasn't on overlay, it'd look kind of different. You can go soft, hard, changes the look a little bit, but I like overlay. So now we're looking good. Now we've got this whole group completed, and now we're going to duplicate this group, drag it down here, and then we're going to merge this group. Okay, you can do it the long way to go to layers, merge group, or you can push Command E. Alright, so it's duplicated. Drag it down below this, not inside of it. And I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Then we're going to flip this vertically. Edit, transform, flip vertical. There we go. Now use your selection tool, drag it straight down holding shift. And don't make it touch. See, we don't want it to touch. We want it to be just below it. Okay? Kind of like that. Zoom out a little bit. That way it looks a little more realistic, like it's touching the surface, then it's reflected. Alright, add a layer mask. And choose your gradient tool. Make sure it's on black and white. There we go. Opacity is 100%. So let's drag it from this little glare spot up, holding shift. Booyah. Easy as that. Drag the opacity down to 76. That looks good. Now we're looking real good. So we want to add my little logo up here and make it reflect inside the ball. So let's go, let's bring that in. And we want to make it white, so why don't we do a little quick shortcut, Command I, and versus the color. Use my selection tool, drag it straight in there, holding shift, and it'll drop right in the center. Okay. So now we want to Command T, shrink this down a bit, hold shift and option, that way it'll keep it in the center. And that looks good. Let's move it up, hold shift, and that's good, so push enter. I'll actually move it up a little bit more, just a little bit. And now we want to copy this puppy, drag it down here, or you can push Command J. Then we want to flip this. If I'm moving too quick for you, just put the video in slow motion. Alright? We don't need to name this. We're going good right now. So, flip it vertically. Darn it. I'll drag it down, holding shift. Wow, look at that. It's behind there. So let's drag it above there. And above there. Okay. Alright, so we're on this layer. Command T, drag E, holding shift and option. And let's zoom up a little bit. And I think I messed that up, so let's drag it, shift option, a little bit like that. Drag it down, shift. And we want to leave a little bit of room because I'm going to stretch this puppy. That looks good. So see how it's lined up almost in the center, but not quite. Okay. Now let's push Control, or actually we want to go up to Edit, Transform, and then Warpage. Now we can drag this puppy down. You can't really hold shift to constrain it, so just do it by eyeballing it. Pull it down. Want to make sure they're even. And then pull these other top corners kind of up and then to the center. And that looks good. Pull this one up to the center. And they're even, so that looks good. Push enter. That looks good. Let's zoom out. See what it's looking like. Looks pretty good. Why don't we shrink it a little bit? Just a little bit. Command T. Hold shift and option. There we go. That looks good. Move this puppy up a little bit, holding shift. And now we want to add a layer mask down here. Gradient over here. Black and white up here. Now drag this from the bottom of the letter to the top. There we go. Drop the opacity to, well, let's say 76. There we go, guys. That looks pretty amazing, if I don't say so myself. Let's push tab to get rid of these little palettes. Push F again to go to black. And that is our ball, people. That's our ball. Looks pretty good. And looks pretty good like I know it should. So, why don't you go ahead and do what you do and build it the way you want to. Maybe you can pull something out of this little tutorial. If you like it, let me know. I'll do more of them. And if you have questions or things you want to see, just request. Maybe I can help you out. All right? So this is the end. Thank you. And please check out my website when you get a chance. It's www.ipoxstudios.com. Thanks, guys.